Hello, this video is for administrative law judges. It shows the administrative law judge how to use the Verizon conferencing tool, their conference line, to conduct their phone hearings. Once you become an ALJ with state hearings, you should receive an email from IT with your Verizon conference line information. It'll have your conference number, your login credentials. It'll have the URL, this one that you see on your screen, right up here, on how to log in, and it'll also give you your leader code and your toll-free number. I am going to show you how to use this online interface to conduct your phone hearings. First, you're going to click on that URL, and it should be something like emeetings.verizonbusiness.com, and you're going to put in the credentials they give you. And a special thanks to Judge Chambers for allowing me to use her credentials to make this video for you. And put in the password that they provide for you. It may ask you to change it the first time. And then click on this log on button. It's going to pop up with a little warning that just says, please use this for business purposes, etc. You can just click OK. It's going to take you to your welcome page. If for some reason your password has expired or you need to change it for any reason, there'll be a message here on this page with a link for you to change your password. If you do change your password, make sure you take note of what it is. But it looks like I'm good to go, so I'm going to go ahead and hit this red continue button. It's going to take you now to your Manage My Meetings page, where it will have your conference ID number. It'll say all-purpose meeting, your conference line, and you as the leader. To begin your conference call, you're going to hit this arrow that's between the envelope and the clipboard. Once you hit that arrow, you're going to get a little pop-up box where your meeting is going to be loading up. So let me slide this closer to the middle of the screen. And this is what your conference meeting moderator box looks like. The first thing you want to do is you're going to hit this telephone with the little L, dial the leader. If you hover over it, it says dial leader. Click on that, and it's going to automatically populate your name and your phone number and the country. So if you're dialing from a different number or you're using your cell phone number, you can put that in there if you like, and then hit OK. But let me put my phone number so you can hear what it sounds like. All right, and then I will go ahead and get my phone started. 1 second. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So the first thing it's going to do is it's going to call you as the leader of the conference line. And right now my phone is ringing. So I'll hit accept and put that on speaker so you can hear what it says.
Please state your name, followed by the pound sign.
Hello, this is Judge Ashley Lucas from State Hearings, conducting a hearing.
Thank you. You are the first caller to this conference. Please wait while others join.
All right, so now you're there as the first caller of the conference, and now you want to add your participants. So if you go back to your online screen here, you can see that that little telephone now has a P instead of an L. So at first you're going to dial the leader, that's the L, and now you're going to dial participants. So click on the phone again, and now you can put in all the different participants that you're going to be calling. So my first participant, I'm going to put the claimant's name and put in their phone number. and then click this one-time add button, and that puts them on the right-hand side. Then maybe you want to have a hearing rep. You have a hearing rep, and you're going to put their number in there, and add that person, and so on and so on. You continue adding all the different people that you want to call. Once you have everybody in this list, then you can hit dial participants. And what that's going to do is phone out to all of these folks, and it will give them the same prompt that it gave you. They should state their name and then press the pound sign, and it'll connect everybody together. Once you have everybody on the line, you can conduct your hearing. Once your hearing is done, everybody just needs to hang up, and then you'll be done. After that hearing is closed and you want to conduct another hearing, you can just remain on this page, and then you can do a new hearing. So you might want to, it already knows that you're the leader, so then you're going to add your new participants. So click on this, and then for your next hearing, you're going to add all of that information yet again. It's going to appear on your participant dial list. You're going to hit this dial participants, conduct your hearing again, everyone hangs up, and then you'll be back to this page. And you can just keep this up all day long as long as you're doing your phone hearings. So that pretty much sums it up on how to use the Verizon conferencing line to conduct phone meetings. Some other thing you may want to do is how to change your participant code. So for example, if you have to give out your conference number and people dial in, and you need to change the participant code because you don't want a participant code just kind of hanging out there because you may have an uninvited guest to your phone meeting, what you would do is log in just as you would before, press the continue button, and then you're going to click on this conference ID number. But that's how you do it if you need to change the passcode for your conference line. And I think that pretty much sums up all the different things you'd need to do for the Verizon conferencing line. If you require more assistance, you can get that from your PJ or another judge that has more experience with the conference line, or you can try contacting me. I'll do what I can to help you. It's not something that I use every day, but I'm sure I can find the answer for you. Again, this is Ashley Lucas, State Hearings ACMS team. And you can contact me at ashley.lucas, just the way it's spelled, at dss.ca.gov. Thank you so much. I hope this video has helped you out.